The old Dodge Dakota is lending a hand in fixing our potholes and cracks on our parking lot. Here I'm going to show you how you can easily convert your work truck into a full-blown asphalt truck for small to medium jobs. You can do this for your own repairs or as a business fixing driveways and parking lots. In the end, I will give you tips on how to keep the truck clean and keep the asphalt fresh even if you can't use it all at once. So you may want to watch until the end. We are going to use Easy Street, which is a cold blend of asphalt from New Frontier that is very easy to use and is very reliable. It's used on highways for major portions and on small repairs. It's great for the do-it-yourselfer because you have plenty of time to work with it, and it's a permanent repair. It's extremely easy to work with, and buying it like this is actually very affordable. It's only about $110 a ton. First we go into the little office where we give them my name and a credit card. Next we go on the scale so they can have the before weight of the truck so we know how much asphalt I got. And after the horn blows, telling me to go to the asphalt pile, we head that way and wait for her to come. And once she pours the asphalt and the truck becomes more of a lowrider, we're ready to go. In this case we went for half a ton, which is all we needed in this load, but the truck can definitely handle more. Now we go back to get our new weight, and then we go back to the office to pay for this wonderful stuff, and we're on our way to lay the fresh asphalt. Here's a few important tips if you're going to use yours or somebody else's truck. First, put a tarp on the bed and place a sheet of plywood or OSB over it so you can have most of the mess contained, and the plywood will actually make it easier to scoop up the asphalt. If you have to wait a few days before you can finish the project, then cover the asphalt with a tarp so it stays soft and is easier to work with. Watch for my next videos in this series. Please subscribe and like, and I will share more of my asphalt adventures and many more tips on how to save your driveway and parking lot. Hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.